So you can see the thunderstorm destroys our so many trees, and this is the last condition. So here is my kadam tree, and it almost ruined. The window from the coastal area is still blowing. So slightly diesel is still going there, and you can see our narkel tree. Okay, this is the latest condition after the thunderstorm, and here almost everything is all right. You can see there have no mango in tree because the last night the mangoes are falling down from the tree because of the thunderstorm. So it is the latest update of our Bonani Bogura. I love this.